Hello everybody, the call is getting recorded now. Hello everybody, the call is getting recorded now and welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers. This is the first specialized training session for management internship. We have already taken a lot of other specialized training for other sessions. So this session also we have taken for the last group, but unfortunately the recording was not done properly. So that's why there is no recorded link is there. Okay, so let me discuss about a step-by-step manner that how you need to start this internship and what is all around inside. Still, there are a lot of people are joining. Okay, so there are two basic deliverables you have from VCE regarding this internship in the beginning. The first thing is the offer letter, and second thing is the internship info sheet. Let me share this info sheet with you. Then it will be easier to understand. Okay, so the internship info sheet look like this, right? So this info sheet have all the information related to this internship. There is nothing left. If you go through the links and all, everything is there. Okay, so whenever people ask, sir, I don't get this link, ये link कहाँ है, वो link कहाँ है? So I used to tell them that go in info sheet, everything is there. That's why we prepared this info sheet. So in initial information package or initial information sheet. Okay, so the first line of the info sheet is written. Welcome to internship. Please watch the internship startup video link and follow the step. So there is an internship startup video of 10 minutes. Okay, you can go through this 10-minute video. Okay, click here and you can watch this 10-minute video. Then join the group. You already joined, right? And then there is a pre-internship talk. This is a long video, 1 hour, but it's very good to go through this video because then you will know that what are the benefits of this internship as per the VC and as per the interns who have done internship with us before. Right, there are two ways to analyze the benefit, right? Ki as per us, what we are saying is the benefit, and as per the interns, what they have already done. Okay. Now, frequently asked questions, register and create online portal account. Okay. Please listen to the audio session. Different audio session as the pre-recorded audio sessions. So you'll get to know what is the idea. Now, one thing that a lot of people ask in the beginning, is, sir, I selected one internship project and I want to change it. I selected a date, I want to change it. What, how to do that? So my obvious reply is, yeah, do it, start doing it. But people want a formal offer letter in that changed date. Okay, so for that we keep on telling them that you go to an offer letter correction form. Fill this form, and within 2-3 days we will issue you a new offer letter. Okay, so this offer letter correction form is very important. Okay, now whatever internship, like suppose you have done a management internship, so you click on the management internship link here, and you can then there is new link will be opened on our online training portal, like suppose entrepreneurship, businessman, internship program, whatever. So whenever you click, suppose you are doing project management, you click on this project manager description will come, and you can take the course, right? Take the course here, and when you take the course, all the modules will be open, and you can do these modules, right? Watch videos, whatever there. Second thing is, which is very important to know, is the modules and the task folder. This is very important. Modules and the task folder. So click on this. Okay. So all the modules and the task is in this folder. So this is a green folder that all of you have. Click on this green folder. Go to other management internship. It should be management internship anyway. Okay. This is the internship and task look like. नेहा यार धीरे बात करो ना यार. बट चाय 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 आ रहा है यहाँ पे. All right. So let's go by one and let's see what exactly you need to do in these project topic in module 1. Let's go to HR internship. So in each and every folder you can see each and every folder there are three sheets are there. Read me first, modules and task and internship completion. Read me first is the basic instructions, right? When you open you can go through the basic instruction. Second is the modules and tasks where module 1, 2, 3 is there, and internship completion where the module 4 is there. Like this is how you need to complete, this is the task you need to do to complete your internship. Okay, till now whatever I explained, anybody have any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेश्चन?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Manjari, no issues. Where we are, huh? Okay, so let's open with the HR internship. One more thing, the reason that why I'm taking this live training session is because from 1st June we started, before that we used to give internship certificate who are doing internship. We take a lot of doubt clearing session. Yesterday also I take a doubt clearing session. Anybody have doubt, they ask. Hundreds of doubt people ask कि sir ये नहीं समझ में आया, ये वो है. I explained. But from 1st June and onwards, many interns come to us and they start asking, sir, can you please give us a training certificate as well along with the internship? The reason for having a training certificate that we can showcase whatever learning we have as a training also, right? Because a lot of time when you say internship, then the company, the other companies where you are applying, they think that okay, you applied in a company and they are giving you internship and they give you some project, you did that, but that doesn't mean you get trained in that particular field, right? That doesn't mean हाँ तुमने internship किया वर्ल्ड बैंक में यहाँ वहाँ HDFC बैंक, but that doesn't mean you are trained in foreign exchange, you are trained in equity research. So that's why they ask for a training certificate. I say okay, I'll give you a training certificate. So we started giving training certificate from 1st June along with the internship certificate. Okay, so to showcase their knowledge. But then at the end of the whole month, I got a lot of requests, sir, if we are getting a training certificate, can you please give us a short training on each and every module that what exactly should be the best answer for any module? Should be the best thing to do. If you are a student, what should you do? Something like that. Then I accepted this request also because I keep on getting feedbacks from all the interns. I tried to get feedback. I pressured them to give us feedback. When I get a feedback, I try my best to do whatever the positive feedback I get. Okay, whatever things that he said, this need to be changed, that need to be changed, this is very good, this is not very good. So मैं पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ कि अगर उस फीडबैक को किया जा सकता है, so we will definitely do for the interns. This is what the motto of this organization. Okay, so this is that's why we started like this. So let's go on our topic. Let's go on modules and tasks of HR internship. When you open this modules and tasks, there are three boxes are there in the first page. Introduction about this module, this internship. You read that. Instruction for the smart task submission and all. And who is your coordinator? Coordinator is not your mentor, right? Coordinator is somebody who are already done this internship, who knows about this internship, and who can help you submit the task, okay, how to improve your task and all these things. You can ask whatever question you have related to that, because for all the question you don't need mentor, right? For all the questions, you don't need mentor. Okay. So instruction for the smart task submission. Okay, and then learning references. Remember, these are the learning references. You don't need to watch all these videos from the day one. Sir, आज शुरू किया and we need to watch all these videos. No, you don't need to watch. So you need to watch these videos throughout the internship, because during this internship we want to give proper knowledge to all of you guys. Proper knowledge about how the things going on, how what is HR and all these things. And for that proper knowledge, we referred YouTube, whatever videos we liked that is already prepared by some expert and all. We embedded those videos here so that you can get the knowledge. Because if I tell you to go and search on YouTube, you might search these videos, but you might search a lot of other distracting videos. So let's go to Smart Task 1. Okay. The motto of this Smart Task 1 is to understand two important things related to HR. Right. First important thing is, if you joined a company where there is no HR department, they are just managing by themselves. They don't have any HR policy. सब ऐसे ही चल रहा है बढ़िया. Since there is no HR department in that company, so what happened that you need to tell the company, okay, you need to, if they want to open a HR department or something like that. So how can you pitch that you should have a HR department so that that HR department will help you grow in this organization? The expense paid in the HR will be help you to grow this organization. Okay. So what is the importance of a HR department in the company? That is the first thing in this module. Second thing is, suppose there is a company, small or big, whatever size, and they have HR department. They have HR policy, they have one HR manager. And now you are joining that HR department, and you need to convey that in that HR department, what exactly you want to do. तुम क्या कर सकते हो? What you can do in that HR department? What are the skills you have so that you can contribute in that HR department? What? Okay? And always remember, usually, most of the time, HR departments are considered as non-productive. Non-productive means suppose there is a in the beginning when a company start, the productivity of the company always proportional to the number of employees. अभी 4 लोग हैं तो 10 किलो मिठाई बन रहा है. 4 लोग की जगह पे 20 लोग हो जाएंगे तो 8 लोग हो जाएंगे तो 10 की जगह 20 किलो मिठाई टारगेट करेंगे हम लोग. So number of person, productivity increase. But suddenly, if there are 40 people working in that company and they are making 100 kilos of whatever product, mithai or something, then they hired 3 HR people. But eventually, what they find out कि हमने 3 HR तो hire कर लिया, but because of these 3 HRs, productivity is not increasing. 100 से 105 नहीं हुआ, right? But long term, but the long term stability of the company arrived. People don't want to leave the company. People don't want to be get associated with the company. People are more happy and all. Okay, so this is what you need to do. There are few questions related to HR management. What is HR management? Why it is important? What are the function of HR department? What are the roles, responsibility? List on your skills. You can go to Google it. Google these questions. Go to Investopedia, Wikipedia, whatever, and try to gather the knowledge and answer this question as per your own understanding. Okay. Now, sometimes the people ask, sir, you are giving a question answer like this. This look like an assignment. How it is a task? In that case, I want you to use some of your imagination. Like suppose you joined our company and there is a HR manager or there is another boss, CEO, whatever, and you are a new intern. You tell them, sir, as today I joined. Can you please give me some briefing and some task? You say, yeah, the briefing is that, HR is this, that, blah, blah, whatever I'm talking to you right now. And then they say that your task is you go and find out what is HR department, how to improvement, how this, that. That time you note down on your notebook all these questions. And you think that, okay, this is the task I got from my boss. This is the task I got from my boss, and yes, I want to do it. Okay. So that time you think that is a task. So you need to imagine that, because since we are not meeting physically, you are not seeing me, right? So that's why we prepared this task and give it to you. But the concept and the rigidness of the task is same, and the knowledge what you are gaining is same. Okay, so don't go in that mindset ki sir kito I'm at home, how can I do? No. See, all our employees right now also, because of this COVID situation in Thailand and in India, they are in work from home, right? They are working from home. All the new companies are hiring people and giving them work from home. Work from home is going to be new normal. Okay, but things are still constant. The knowledge what you get, the communication, how you're doing it, right? And what kind of certification you have, these things are always constant. Okay, now those who are doing HR internship, do you have any doubt, any question in module 1? अभी जितना समझाया, हर्षिता?
No, sir. I have already completed my task one.
Good. Anybody have any other doubt, anything? Okay, even if you have completed your task, तो फिर doubt तो कभी भी आ सकता है ना?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sir. I'm Harshita. I have joined the lobby right now.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I'm working, so I have started this internship from 1st July. But due to my work pressure, I was not able to attend the Smart Task 1. So yesterday I have started that. May I know what is the word limits and in which format I have to write those answers?
Okay.
Yeah, like I can use MS Word document
See, when you open this modules and
to write
tasks,
my
right?
answer.
See, one sec. When you open this modules
Mm-hmm.
and task folder, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there is a
Mm-hmm.
smart task submission format here. You open this
Yeah, yeah.
smart task submission format. Okay, this is
Okay.
the format. Okay, let me change this to 2021.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you need to put your details and then things, right? Word limit is 500 words. Suppose there are many questions other than task 6 questions, then you can copy paste and add questions here. Okay, you can add and delete box.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
so sometimes people say, sir,
Okay.
but how can I edit this smart task? I am only viewer. Go to file and download in MS Word, right? You can download in
Okay.
MS Word and then prepare the
Okay.
task and submit. No issues.
Okay.
Okay, Rishita.
Sure.
Harshita, where are you
Yeah.
working?
Thank you so
Like,
much.
if you are working, then why are you doing internship?
Sir, actually, I got this internship on 1st of July,
Hmm.
and I have already paid the fees
Hmm.
for a specialized certification.
No, I'm asking that.
That is 750, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah. So my
And
question.
I got a job on 5th of July.
Oh, okay. No issues. You can still gain the knowledge and get certified.
And yeah, currently I'm working in Accenture as a third party.
Hmm.
Yeah.
No issues.
Yeah, so that is why, and I get confirmed in Accenture on the 3rd or 4th of July.
Okay. Okay, Rishita. No problem.
Sir, hello,
Yeah,
sir.
Deepak.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes, yes, you can.
Yes, सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड आफ्टरनून सर
Hmm.
सर मैंने मतलब सर 15 जुलाई वाले बैच में इनरोल किया था
Hmm.
मैंने सर एडमिन फीस भी दी थी 750 की उसके बाद सर ये जो मॉड्यूल एंड टास्क है उस पे सर एक्सेस करने के लिए मेरे को पीडीएफ नहीं है जो भी आपने ये ओपन करी थी, तो सर वो पीडीएफ कहाँ से मिलेगी? और सर मैंने मतलब मेरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग से मतलब मेरी ब्रांच है, डीटीयू कॉलेज से मैं कर रहा हूँ बीटेक परस्यू। तो सर मैंने मेजर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट लिया था, तो सर उसका फॉर्म मैं 2 बार भर चुका हूँ। तो अभी जो आप वो साइट है ना वीसीई की, तो सर उसमें जो ऑप्ट करना होता है कि आपको इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम में कौन सा लेना है, तो सर उसमें मैंने क्लाइमेट चेंज वाला ऑप्ट किया। तो उसमें मतलब जो फॉर्म दोबारा देते हैं भरने के लिए, तो सर उसमें लिखा रहा है कि 15 जुलाई वाला बैच पूरा फुल हो चुका है।
पर दीपक तुमको,
अगर आपको
एक सेकंड,
लेना है तो
तुमको ऑफर लेटर मिला हमारी तरफ से?
ये सर,
अच्छा।
ये सर ऑफर लेटर मिला था 16 जुलाई को।
हाँ, तो ऑफर लेटर मिल गया तो वो फॉर्म दोबारा फिल नहीं करना था, पहली चीज। सेकंड
तो सर
चीज,
वो सर एक्सेस कैसे करूँ मैं उनको?
एक सेकंड, तो तुम्हें
मॉड्यूल्स एंड
ऑफर
टास्क।
लेटर के बाद एक और ईमेल गया होगा ना जिसमें लिखा होगा कि ये इन्फोशीट है।
सर स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रेनिंग फॉर्म मिला था।
अच्छा, मैं ये इन्फोशीट फिर से शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप में, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सर, वो एक बार दोबारा शेयर कर देना कि ताकि
हाँ,
मॉड्यूल और टास्क डायरेक्ट एक्सेस कर सको, वीडियोस वॉच करके
बिल्कुल
टेस्ट
बिल्कुल
ले सको।
शेयर कर देंगे।
Sir,
थैंक यू
I
सर,
also
सर
have the same problem, sir.
अच्छा, मैंने ये
And I do
इन्फोशीट फिर से,
finance, sir.
इन्फोशीट मैंने फिर से शेयर कर दिया है फाइनेंस वाले में भी,
Oh, okay.
और कोर इंजीनियरिंग में।
सर कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप भी है क्या बच्चों का जिसमें मतलब सेम प्रोजेक्ट वाले बच्चे एक जगह पर हो,
नहीं नहीं
टेलीग्राम पे या फिर?
नहीं, टेलीग्राम पे तो है, जो बना दिया तुम उसमें होगे हो भी, बट व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप
हाँ
इसलिए
सर, वो
क्योंकि
कोर
व्हाट्सएप में, एक
इंजीनियरिंग
सेकंड
वाले
दीपक,
में।
व्हाट्सएप में क्या होता है ना कि नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट 255 ही होते हैं।
अच्छा।
हाँ,
यस सर।
और दूसरा ये बात है कि व्हाट्सएप में क्या होता है कि देयर इज अनदर इशू कि अगर 255 के कहीं कहीं पे ज्यादा लोग नहीं है हमारे पास, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि लोग एक दूसरे का नंबर जान जाते हैं, एंड दे स्टार्ट मैसेजिंग द
हाँ
फीमेल कैंडिडेट, मे बी यू आर नॉट, यू आर अ नाइस गाई, बट अदर लोग ऐसा करते हैं। ओके,
यस सर, यस सर,
तो
यस।
हाँ, टेलीग्राम में एटलीस्ट अगर दूसरों का उसको टेलीग्राम आईडी मिल जाए ना, तो वो आईडी चेंज कर सकती है कोई भी फीमेल, या नाम बदल सकती है, मेरा नाम हर्ष है, हर्षिता नहीं है। बट व्हाट्सएप में
हाँ
ऐसा
सर,
नहीं है,
सही
व्हाट्सएप
बात,
में नंबर के हिसाब से दे कैन फाइंड आउट।
सही बात है
अभी
सर।
इंडिया में डाटा और टाइम दोनों फ्री है लोगों के पास बहुत ज्यादा, तो कुछ भी करेंगे।
हाँ
हम्म,
सही बात है सर, सर सही है, मिसयूज होने से बढ़िया बच जाते हैं।
ओके, सो
थैंक यू सर, यही पूछना था।
या,
Sir,
हम्म,
hello.
यस,
Sir, what are the word limits for per answer?
500 वर्ड्स,
500.
try to
Okay.
answer 500, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so next
Yeah.
internship what we are going to talk about is marketing analyst internship. Okay, you open the marketing analyst folder.
हेलो
Yes,
हेलो
who is there? Mm-hmm.
हेलो सर, विवेक सर, विवेक
हाँ विवेक।
सर। मेरा सर स्मार्ट टास्क 2 कर रहा था सर, उसमें क्या सेम है? रिपोर्ट, सैंपल रिपोर्ट सेम में ही लिखना है क्या सर? स्मार्ट टास्क 2
हाँ, फॉर्मेट तो सेम ही होगा ना।
सेम होगा सर, बट उसमें ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या क्वेश्चनियर वगैरह भी ऐड करना है सर सेकंड स्मार्ट टास्क में, कि सिर्फ उसके बारे में लिख देना है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है और क्या सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, बस वही लिखना है, कि और भी मतलब
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
क्वेश्चनियर वगैरह
वही
ऐड
वो
करना
जो
है?
तुमने जो उस चीज को रिसर्च किया ना, देखो पॉइंट ये है,
यस सर,
एचआर इंटर्नशिप की बात करो ना।
यस सर, यस सर,
एचआर इंटर्नशिप में क्या होता है कि देखो कोई वट एवर इंटर्नशिप यू डू, वेर एवर यू डू, राइट,
यस सर,
nowadays
यस
nowadays the HRs and the company executives, they are very smart. They want to know what exactly you have done in this internship. Hmm? So,
यस
what exactly you have done in this internship? So you cannot just go and say कि सर मैंने बहुत कुछ किया, मैंने ये भी किया, नहीं. You need to tell them that when I joined this internship, the company gave me a one task which is related to find
यस
out the actual issues of the people who are related to the training and development of the individual, especially in the college, especially in the cities. So I have done a basic primary research and find out this. So ये this is something that you can talk to them, you can tell them what exactly you have done. Okay,
ओके
इसलिए
सर,
इस
ओके
पे
सर,
ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत है.
सर बट उसमें क्वेश्चनियर वगैरह ऐड करना है सैंपल रिपोर्ट में?
हाँ, whatever you can add, whatever you think it's relevant, you can add.
सर बट उसमें लिटरेचर मेथोलॉजी वगैरह तो ऐड नहीं करना ना?
नहीं 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 नहीं, उतना नहीं, because it's a industry based research, it is not a academic research, right?
ओके सर,
हाँ,
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
thank you. Okay, let's talk about marketing analyst internship. It is very important. I think everybody should do this internship. Why everybody? अब तुम लोग बोलोगे सर I am not from marketing, I am from HR and all. But at some moment of time, marketing is so versatile. You need to market yourself. You need to market your product. You need to market your college. हर चीज में marketing है. You need to market your department, right? So people need to know what exactly is the marketing is. Now people think a lot of students, a lot of new companies, they think that marketing मतलब reaching out by any means. Reach out करो, message करो सबको. जैसे कि एक there is one girl and I feel pity about her. I don't want to become very ascetic to her. And there are few other girls, they are doing some internship in some Bajao technology or something. They keep on sending us messages. Okay, sir, we make website, we make app, we make website, we hack. And I keep on telling them that why you are sending like this. Send a proposal and we can look into it. Not every day, you cannot send a message like this every day. So they think that marketing just reaching out the candidate on anyhow. No, marketing is something else, right? And there are step-by-step manner how to do a proper marketing. And whenever I'm talking about marketing, it's not about marketing of Reliance Jio. Their budget is 100 crores for marketing, right? तो उनके marketing के बारे में all these things matters. But marketing about myself as a person, as a job seeker, all this thing doesn't matter. No, for marketing everything matters for everybody. ऐसा नहीं कि उनके लिए ये सारा फॉर्मूला है, तुम्हारे लिए तो तुम किसी को भी लिखते जो एनी यू कैन जस्ट सेंड मैसेजेस टू लिंक्डइन कि आई एम वेरी पुअर, प्लीज गिव मी जॉब एंड ये वो ब्ला ब्ला. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Marketing principles are for everybody. Okay, so let's see what is there in the modules and tasks. You can go through the introduction and all these references. Now, first of all, that is most important thing is in marketing, all of you guys need to go to our marketing program on our online training portal. This is the marketing program. When you go to this marketing program online training portal, listen to this audio, go to the things, and then there are 4 videos are there in each and every section. 2 videos but in the part by part way. Marketing internship part 1. Watch these videos. Intro session 1 and session 2. Then another video is there. So watch these videos. This is very important to understand what is marketing is. To do any task, watch these videos first. Now let's go to marketing smart task 1. We discuss about smart task 1 only. So the first basic and the most important point to become a good marketing manager, to do a marketing, any kind of marketing, right? So first of all, people need to understand what is marketing. Marketing is what is sales, what is business development. Marketing के बारे में बात किया जाए तो marketing is nothing, just a tool to create a demand bubble. Marketing is a tool to create a demand bubble like this, right? So suppose when you do a marketing management like this, okay, I know the people are, now you can see. When you do a marketing management cloud means you are doing a marketing for whole people, okay, and this is the target market. When there is a marketing going on the target market creates a demand bubble, and that demand bubble will be filled by the sales team. This is what the marketing is. That's it. Okay, just imagine Suppose somebody's, I told you that, okay, Abhijit, where you live? So he says, sir, I live in Kurukshetra, a small city town in Haryana. Fine. I said, Abhijit, now you are selected for as a marketing manager, sales, and you need to sell this big vessel, big machine, 12 lakhs rupees per unit. You need to sell, huh? If you don't sell, I don't know, your whole salary, everything is depend on this sell only. अब वो बोलेगा कि सर आई डोंट नो इवन 5 people who can buy who have 12 lakh rupees, and I don't know even 1 people who can afford to buy 12 lakh rupees machine. How can I sell? I don't know anybody. But then I pressurized, no, you need to sell, you need to sell, you need to. He got freaked out. Either it is 12 lakh rupees machine or 1.2 lakh rupees. Right? So this is how people think the marketing and sales market. Okay, usko bolo, you need to sell, do it, talk to the people and not. He got fed up. But if somebody did a very strong marketing management, there is a brand called Chevrolet, there is a brand called Toyota. They start doing a lot of marketing related to on internet, on TV, that there is a Toyota car, Toyota Innova, this, that, very nice, very good, 7-seater, 5-seater, this. Shah Rukh Khan is promoting it. They are not promoting, they are not creating those marketing for Kurukshetra. Right? They are just creating a marketing management cloud for the whole area. This is the marketing management cloud. Right? Now, when there is a marketing term, okay, very nice car, this car, Shah Rukh Khan bhi kar raha chalata hai, and Sachin Tendulkar also likes it, this, that, 7-seater. Now, it is in the budget of less than 15 lakhs. Okay, iska features bhi acha hai, and look good also. So, because of this marketing, man, the target market hai, the people who are looking to buy a car, they may or may not know Abhijit of that city, but they are looking for a buy car. Then they will go, then there is a demand for that car. Then they will go and search for if in nearby my region where I can buy this car. हमारे घर के आसपास कहाँ है कार buy कर सकते हैं? Because there is a demand. And that time the sales team should and must be ready. Yes, ma'am. आपने जो भी कार, whatever car you have seen in the advertisement, whatever car you have seen in our marketing campaigns and all, yes, this is the car. This is the sales team ready. We want to give you the car immediately. So this is how the marketing is never being on somebody's shoulder. I have seen a lot of companies nowadays, they are giving internship related to campus ambassador program or campus representative. They have some training program. That's good. People should have training. बहुत सारा training होता है. They should go training. But they pressurize the student कि जाओ student को बोलो हमारा training. Why should the student buy your training? Right? 5,000 का training है, 10,000 का training, 11,000. One guy was giving a training of HR management 16,990. And I got a call from one of my intern कि sir, should I do this training or not? Right? Why should they buy your training? Have you done any marketing on that college? Have you engaged the team so that they know you? They know you. That's why they want to buy this training. And if they buy, if this training is expensive or not. So this is the whole marketing is. The first principle of the marketing, we are talking about the smart task one, is the corporate communication. Corporate communication plays an important role as a marketing manager, as a marketing about your product. How you communicate with the public. Corporate way, not non-corporate way. Not like कि aunties को बता दिया auntie इधर उधर, वो अलग way of marketing है. But corporate way, how the company is communicating with the public. Basics of corporate communication, important effective ways, other information related to corporate communication. So when you watch that video and do this smart task, find out you can easily do this smart task. Find out how the corporate communication work. Okay. So anybody who is doing marketing internship, do you have any questions? All right, no issues. Let's go.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, Rishabh.
Hello. Good evening, sir. This is Rishabh.
Hmm.
Sir, I had a doubt, like the thing which you're explaining about the marketing internship. Like these all things are available in all other internships as well, or these all are just different from that? Like, is this a part in every internship? Like every intern could do that?
I don't understand.
I asked like if someone chose anything in core engineering or in other field, so like they could also avail this, or like the one who just enrolled for the the marketing one, like they could only
No, no,
do
no. They
this.
can also avail this. No issue. See,
Okay.
I keep on telling, and I think people uh, like initially don't understand, but now a lot of people are getting in. See, our platform is the training part of the platform. The learning part is absolutely free. You can log in.
Yes, sir.
You can log in our system and go and watch anything. A lot of time people are doing core engineering. They're learning finance also, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
for
I'm a
that,
student.
Rishabh, for that we are hiring, we are looking for some content research analyst to find out
Oh,
more
yes.
and more content to grow content wise. I don't mind spending money on that, on
Yes.
his salary and all, so that to create more content or to search more content for internet and we can put in our system,
Yes, sir.
right? Because online training के नाम पे जितना भी पैसा the people are charging, right? That is too much.
Mm. Yeah,
That we
that's
need
true.
to stop, right? I can create a very nice online training portal with a very small fee just to maintain the portal. That's it.
So I'm like I have enrolled in that in the engineering one, but I was pretty interested about this as well. So
Yeah, you will
I
learn a
just
lot.
asked for that.
See, because marketing is something that everybody should and must know, right?
Yes, sir.
I can see on LinkedIn even some VC interns also do the same mistake of you know like trying to see everybody in this COVID situation is in panic situation, right? Even though
Yes, sir.
they have a job or not have a job, right? So if you keep on pushing them like give me a job and all, then it won't be a good idea. So you need to do how to do
Yeah.
the marketing. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, not nice to talk to you. Anybody can do,
Okay.
no issues.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now the
Hello,
next,
sir.
yes,
Good evening, sir. I'm Avijit.
yeah, Abhijit.
Sir, I have enrolled for the marketing internship, marketing analyst,
Hmm?
and I have submitted my SmartTax 1. But, sir, I have exceeded the word limit. So, is there any penalty for that?
No, there is no penalty and all. Fine. But
Okay, sir.
usually if in corporates, if somebody says the word limit is this, hmm,
Yes,
right.
yes,
See,
sir.
for interns in any company, there is no, they never charge any penalty or they never say that it's very bad or something. But it is your learning limit, right? It is a learning curve. That if somebody says the word limit is simple, like suppose if I told you, Abhijit, make a marketing plan for this, and you give me a report of 30 pages, I have no time to read that 30 page. I have no time to read that 30 page, right? So the maximum attention time I can give you is a half page or maybe three-quarter of page. That is the maximum time a manager or CEO can give to any intern, in any intern or any uh, um, employee. So that you need
Yeah,
to
sir,
keep
I
in mind
understand. Yes,
कि अच्छा आपने
yes,
आपने अब बोल दिया, अब मैंने बोल दिया तुम इतना बड़ा कुछ बना करके ले आया and I cannot read. So that is all waste, right? So make something
yes, yes.
ping points that this is a 10 points, main points and this. And then if I have if I have a doubt on this point number 4 or point number 9, then yes, you can say कि sir ये point number 4 में this is the explanation. This is the explanation. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Fine, sir.
Vijay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, good
Yes.
evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in one of the doubt clearing session, you have told us that you will train us for corporate communication and pre-placement trainings
Yeah.
and mock interviews. So,
Yes.
sir, I want to know that when you will start that
Okay. See, the
training sessions.
problem for that is Okay, so what happened that a lot of people have not completed our these programs on online. जैसे कि suppose I want you to train about Smart Personal Interview, but you have not watched the video that we already uploaded, right? अब तुमने वीडियो वॉच नहीं किया, मैं तुमको बड़ा बड़ा बताऊंगा ऐसा होता वैसा होता, then you will think ना कि sir let me watch the video please. Okay, so those groups which is already passed, right? The group which is already passed from 1st June, group, and this group already passed. The group is started from 1st July and 15th July, when there is the time limit for completion of their corporate and skill improvement programs. जैसे मैंने तुम्हें टाइम दिया 25 दिन का, you need to watch all these videos. Then I expect that everybody has watched that. Then I will do that session. Understand, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, पहले ही मैं
Thank you.
तुम्हें स्मार्ट एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू कर दूं, तो देन यू विल थिंक कि सर मैंने वो देखा ही नहीं है, लेट मी वॉच दैट, सो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ओके,
Okay, and sir, where I can find these recorded videos?
it's already there in the online training portal. Like, let me
Okay,
show
sir.
you. Suppose this is the info sheet, right? And this is corporate
Yes, sir.
improvement programs. You click on this corporate improvement programs. So these are the three: pre-placement training, corporate skill improvement, and we see smart interview preparation. So suppose you go to pre-placement training. So you need to take this course, and then in all the sessions there are one videos. Click on the session, there is one video. Okay. Now next, suppose
Okay, sir.
smart personal interview. Take this course. Okay, taking this course is free, absolutely. Then each session there is one video. Like suppose this is one video in the smart personal interview.
Sir, I don't know why, but slides are not getting changed.
Which slide?
Sir, if you are opening,
Oh, okay.
yes, sir. Now it is changed.
Sorry. So this is the smart interview preparation. Okay.
Sir, can you?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, can you please show again the pre-internship preparation starting process?
Yeah. Actually, it is not a screen shared, right? So this is, you can see, right, info sheet.
No, sir.
One second. Now you can see the info sheet. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here this is corporate improvement programs, right? So click on corporate improvement programs.
Yes.
Okay. When you click, there are 3 programs. You can, okay, one second. When you click, it will open like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now suppose you go to pre-placement training. You click on pre-placement training. Take this course. Taking this course is absolutely free. And now you need to watch these videos. Session 1, there is one video. You click on session 1. Okay. Now next, smart interview preparation. Module 1, there is one video. Module 2, there is one video. Now everybody knows this?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Now let's talk about the third internship, that is project management infrastructure. Okay. As the name suggests, this is a project management internship related to the infrastructure project. So there are so many courses are going on: project management institute, project management PMP, project management professionals, this, that. All those courses are good, but the only problem in those courses are that I felt that most of those courses are related to the project which is related to software based project. The project where you can sit down, talk about the team leading, and you can manage on softwares and all. Okay, so this is the task you need to complete, you need to this, that. But there are projects, large projects going on which is related to infrastructure, where people are trying to manage the project using softwares and using virtual ways. but there are a lot of things we cannot manage using the software things. A lot of things you cannot manage using the software thing. You need to manage on ground. You need to understand what's going on ground, like licensing, regulatory affairs, this permit, that permit. So for that, we started this project management infrastructure. This internship anybody can do, like engineering and management. Both of the people can do, because they both can take part in a project management team of any company. Okay, so let's open this modules and tasks. So okay, there is a faculty notes of PM Infra. One of my very good faculty, he prepared this notes. The format and all is not very good, but you know the content is good. So go through this. So let's go to the modules and tasks of project management infra. Okay, go through this basic things. There are videos also. Now smart task one, the simple things. So in project management infrastructure also we have 4-5 videos uploaded in our online training portal. So watch those videos. And when you watch those videos, you get a lot of knowledge. And then when you get that knowledge, answering these questions become very easy. Like why is project management infrastructure project? What value do they add in the completion of project? What are the skills you have to become a good project manager and all these things? Based on 25 main terminologies related to project management. Like critical part, critical tasks, PERT, CPM, Gantt chart. These are the new main terminologies that you need to add. So not so difficult task, okay, but a lot of knowledge need to be gained. Watch those our videos on the online training portal and finish those tasks. Anybody who was doing project management infra have any issues, any questions? All right, we keep on doing we keep on doing doubt clearing sessions, so there is no issue in that. Okay, the next project we are going to talk about is case study analysis. This is a slight different project we started because of some of the interns. They keep on pushing us that we should do something like that, otherwise our MBA is not worth it. So what is that? What happened that when people do MBA or BTech, simple thing, simple way you understand. And suppose at the same year somebody joined Indian Army, Indian Military Academy, or no, like National Defense Academy. So in NDA, somebody joined NDA, they know that when they finish this 3 years of degree course, whatever 3 years of training program, they are going to become a officer in Indian Army. Right, that is also a job, right? Become an officer is a job. You have certain tasks to do, you have certain decisions to make, right? So since everybody knows, the trainer also know, and the candidate also know that they are going to become an officer in Indian Army. So they analyze what are kind of skills you need to become an officer in Indian Army. These are the skills 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since they know the skills, they train all these cadets to understand those skills and train all these cadets to you know develop those skills to become an Indian Army major or officer. It's so simple, it's clear कि ये मुझे एनडीए करके इंडियन आर्मी का ऑफिसर बनना है 3 साल में. ऑफिसर बनने के लिए, उस टास्क को करने के लिए, उस डिसीजन को मेक करने के लिए ये 10 स्किल्स चाहिए, तो मुझे वो 3 साल की ट्रेनिंग में वो 10 स्किल्स सिखा दिया जाता है. सिंपल, राइट? बट वही चीज सिंपली एमबीए और इंजीनियरिंग में भी होना चाहिए था. व्हेन यू ज्वाइंड एमबीए, so first of all people need to know that after MBA what are the tasks, what are the positions you are going to hold. Financial analyst, this, that, blah blah, right? HR manager, financial analyst, some other analyst, operations manager, something like that. So for that skills, for that job, for that position, what are the skills required to do their task and the decisions? Suppose that total 10 skills are required to become a financial analyst. So you have 24 months to learn those 10 skills, which includes knowledge also and all. बट ये होता नहीं है कॉलेजेस में। कॉलेज में ये होता है कि लोग देखते हैं कि आई वांट टू बिकम दैट ऑफिसर, I want to become that guy who is doing that job, financial analyst job, HR manager job, and that is the job what they are doing. I want to do that. But what I am studying in the college, it is not related to that. जैसे कि इंडियन आर्मी के ऑफिसर्स को एनडीए में पेंटिंग सिखाने लगा, मैं उनको बोला कि युगांडा का इतिहास पढ़ लो, तो उनका दिमाग फ्रीज आउट कर जाएगा कि हम मुझे इंडियन आर्मी का ऑफिसर बनना, युगांडा के इतिहास में क्यों पढ़ूं? थोड़ा सा बेसिक वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री पढ़ सकते हैं। सो दैट इज द फ्रीक आउट सिचुएशन विथ मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर डूइंग एमबीए, कि जो हम लोग को पढ़ाया जा रहा है सर, और एवरीबडी कम टू अस जैसे कि सर जो हमको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग 100% ऑफ द कॉलेज, बट 90% ऑफ द केसेस दे थिंक दैट वट एवर आई एम लर्निंग इन माई एमबीए, और जो मैं काम करते हुए लोगों को देखता हूँ उसमें कोई रिलेशन दिखता ही नहीं है। और जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग आके बोलते हैं कि एमबीए मतलब कि जॉब मिल जाए बस, बाकी सब कुछ तुम जॉब में ही सीखोगे, कॉलेज का पढ़ाई कोई काम नहीं आ रहा है इधर। नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड किस तरह का डायलेमिक सिचुएशन है, राइट? कोई भी आर्मी का ऑफिसर ये नहीं बोलेगा कि एनडीए में जो सिखाया वो काम ही नहीं आ रहा, हम लोग तो तोप चलाना यही सीखे, नहीं, क्योंकि उनको सिखाया गया, बिकॉज दे वांट टू बिकम ऑफिसर, उनके लिए ये चीज जरूरी है, तो उनको सिखा दिया गया ये जरूरी है। तो बट एमबीए में ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं? या मैं भी इंजीनियरिंग किया, बीटेक किया, इवन दो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस वाज गुड, बट a hell lot of things I learn understand in the companies, in the actual field, वो हमको इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में कोई सिखाया नहीं। और उस समय ऐसा लगता था कि ये चीज दैट इज हैपनिंग विथ मी ओनली, राइट? सबको, बाकी लोग को इतना, बट बाद में आफ्टर लाइक आई ग्रेजुएटेड 12 years ago, 12 साल मुझे लगा कि सबके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है। इसीलिए टू अवॉइड दैट सिचुएशन हम लोग ने एक ऐसा इंटर्नशिप बनाया, केस स्टडी, जिसमें कि इन स्टूडेंट्स को वो केस स्टडी कराया जाए जो कि दैट केस स्टडी दे कैन लर्न मोर और मोर प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स, राइट? Okay, so the first task of that case study analysis internship, it is very different type of task, not difficult, is that reverse mapping of your career path. ये first task है, right? Reverse mapping means, suppose whatever you are doing, engineering or MBA, first of all you find out what exactly you want to do after your MBA, क्या करना चाहते हो या क्या प्रोफाइल होना चाहिए तुम्हारा। जैसे कि आई वांट टू बिकम साइट इंजीनियर, आई वांट टू बिकम डिजाइन इंजीनियर, आई वांट टू बिकम फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट, ये वो, उस प्रोफाइल के लिए क्या स्किल्स चाहिए, जैसे कि ये 15 स्किल्स चाहिए। अब उस स्किल्स को हाउ यू आर प्लानिंग टू डेवलप इन नेक्स्ट 24 months, so the first task is related to that. It is a very theoretical task, but it is very interesting and it is very important also. तो ये फर्स्ट टास्क है। सेकेंड टास्क में वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट case studies and all, it is we can discuss. Okay, so anybody have any issues, any doubt related to case study, whatever I told right now? किसी को समझ में आया क्या बोला मैंने? महिमा,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Anyone else have any doubt, any questions? आशुतोष, Rishabh,
No, sir. No doubt.
you understand what I just discussed, right?
Yes, sir. So I just had a query that, like once in a doubt session, you were saying that you would guide the students, those who want to know about the streams, like which they want to choose while they gonna pursue MBA. So like, and you even mentioned that like they can even call you after texting you, like if you allot them a time.
So do you
So
have
I just want-
any doubt? So you can message me and you can have a chat later on.
Yes, sir. Well, I just wanted to do that, so that's why I
Yeah, send
asked
me
you.
a message on what link. Telegram is good, or WhatsApp also. We'll discuss.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ishwar. Anyway, let's go to the final internship. Okay. So I know it's different type of internship, like case study analysis, but personally I felt that is very important. Personally I felt that yes, most of the students who paid huge amount of money uh, in colleges, right? And if they are not able to get that what they are learning in the college and how that is going to help them in their actual job, so that is the college responsibility to let them feel good. उनको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यस, जैसे कि आर्मी में तोप चलाना सिखाते हैं, बंदूक चलाना सिखाते हैं, सो दे नो दैट वी आर लर्निंग दिस, इट इज नॉट फॉर कि हम लोग को जंगल में शिकार करना है. तो एक आदमी बोलते है सर मुझे शिकार नहीं करना, आई डोंट वांट टू लर्न बंदूक बंदूक. नो, you're becoming army officer, you need to know these things. Same like it should be crystal clear to every MBA student that you are going to become a financial analyst. You are going to become a this, so you need to know this. Like suppose this skill you need to know, this skill that you need to know. You need to know how financial markets work. You need to know how balance sheet is made. राइट तो ये चीज पहले से क्लियर हो कि हाँ क्यों हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये बैलेंस शीट है. बैलेंस शीट इसलिए है क्योंकि कोई भी कंपनी का एक बैलेंस शीट बनता है बिकॉज यही कंपनी का पूरा फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट होता है ईयर का. ओके फाइन. ये क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, बिकॉज ये दिस एसेस है, ये जो हम लोग ये सिखाएंगे. तो ये एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर नहीं है. तो देर इज सम इशू इन द एजुकेशन सिस्टम. बहुत तरह का ऐसा बुक्स आ जाता है, फाइनेंस को पढ़ा रहे हैं, जिनको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है क्या पढ़ रहे हैं हम. डार्विन थ्योरी और कौन सा थ्योरी वाई कहाँ यूज होता है ये. when they actually talk to the people who are in the market, who are running the company and all, वो बोलते हैं कि हम लोग कभी ये यूज ही नहीं किए. हमको तो ऐसा बंदा चाहिए जो हमारा बैलेंस शीट बना दे, हमको तो ऐसा बंदा चाहिए जो हमारा इक्विटी रिसर्च करके हमको स्टॉक्स दे जिसमें हम इन्वेस्ट करके पैसा कमाए. ये सब तो पता नहीं कहाँ. तो फिर हम लोग क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं उसको, वाई. ओके. Last, the internship in the management is that is CCSD, Climate Change and Sustainable Development. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you, or let me tell everybody that nowadays, like nowadays things changed because of the COVID situation and all. Before that, people think climate change is something which is related to scientists, which is related to science. Polar bear is dying in North Pole. Some temperature of the climate is changing from 13 degree to 13.5. यही हो रहा है climate. Normal people think that climate change is not affecting them and they are not contributing to the climate change. हम लोग घर में बैठे हुए हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, हम लोग कहाँ climate? I never contribute to the climate change. ज्यादा वो तो सरकार and people and you know बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रीज को गाली दे दो, कितना केमिकल निकलता है, इतना धुआं फेंक रहा है इंडस्ट्री, दे आर बैड. But slowly, when people do a lot of research and they find out that yes, climate change is an alarming situation and scientists are doing a lot of research and doing a lot of findings. But the situation arised is not because of the scientist or not because of the polar bear and all, because of the common people, because of the large small industries, and that the common people industries need to know, because they are also contributing to the climate change and climate change is and affecting them. The damages happened in last 20 years because of climate change is 100 times more than the damages happening last to last 20. Like 1980 से 2000 के बीच जितना डैमेज हुआ क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से, और 2000 से 2020 में तो वो 100 टाइम्स ज्यादा है. अब 2020 से 2040 तक में जितना क्लाइमेट चेंज होगा वो 2000 से 2020 तक के बीच वो 20 साल में हुआ, उससे 100 टाइम्स ज्यादा होगा. कहीं भी बारिश हो जा रहा है, कनाडा में 50 डिग्री टेम्परेचर हो गया, और इंडिया को तो खैर बहुत ही ज्यादा हालत खराब। So this whole internship, the motto of this whole internship is that only. So you become a sustainable officer, sustainability officer. You become a climate change enthusiast. You need to understand how things are working in a managerial perspective, not a scientist. तो तुम people will ask कि सर तो हम लोग climate change पढ़ें क्यों, मतलब ये ज्ञान हम लोग किसी को दे दिए, if you give this ज्ञान then what will happen? See now after COVID and before COVID also, a lot of companies are investing a huge amount of money in their sustainable development practices. Sustainable development means development along with the climate change. ऐसा कुछ करें जो हमारा डेवलपमेंट भी होता रहे और हम लोग क्लाइमेट को भी ज्यादा खराब पोजीशन में नहीं डालें। जैसे कि वी वांट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज बेटर टू बी डेथ, राइट? सो अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी चाहिए, तो कोल क्यों जलाएं फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? वी कैन go for solar or wind. That will affect climate very less, but we'll get our electricity also. So that is called, that is a sustainable development practices. So if you do this climate change internship, you get the knowledge of climate change. And whatever industry you are working in software, there's no related to climate change. Software is a climate change is there. Because climate change is not only for those chemical factories, chemical वाले को climate change होगा, बहुत गंदा करते हैं वो, no, everybody. So in that, you can tell them that you have the enthusiasm in climate change, sustainable development. So whatever sustainability initiative that company is doing, you can be a part of that. That will give you more salary, more increments, and more public acclaim if you have that climate change things in your mind, sustainability things in your mind. तो ये बहुत लोगों को हेल्प किया, it helped a lot of the people, right? And in some cases you will directly get job related to climate change sustainable development because you have this knowledge. Okay, so that's why it's not a very technical internship about climate change पढ़ना पड़ेगा क्या है क्या है. It's more of managerial internship. Okay. In module 1, basic things: greenhouse development, sustainable development, climate change, what is the primary responsibility. There are so many links, so many Wikipedia videos are there. You can just download it. Okay, what is global warming? What is carbon footprints? Carbon footprints means if any company is doing operations like generating electricity. Like suppose if any person say, I'm not contributing climate change, but then you can calculate that no, you are contributing to the climate change because you are using electricity which is produced by coal. You are using a lot of goods in your home like mobile, computer, TV, fan, AC. All these things are manufactured in factories which produce CO2. If you have not bought this, they have not produced it. Yeah, they have produced, you bought it. राइट तो ये सब जो तुमने खरीदा है ये सब भी तो फैक्ट्री से आ रहा है जो कि इतना सारा CO2 प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. तो अगर वो फैक्ट्री 1 लाख टीवी बनाता है और एक साल में 1 लाख टन, सपोज जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, एक साल में 1 लाख टन का कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकालता है, तो एक टीवी पे 1 टन CO2 आया ना. One TV is responsible for 1 ton of CO2, and that is you are responsible. You paid for this TV. So how much carbon they are emitting, every person is responsible for emitting, that is called carbon footprints. And this is how you need to understand, let them understand. So anybody who is doing climate change have any issues? Shiva,
Yes, sir.
कभी भी कोई issue है अभी तक में?
No, sir. I have chosen, sir, HR and no issue in this part, sir.
Okay. Anyway, anybody have any other issues? कुछ भी इशू, कोई भी तुमको डाउट हो, कुछ पूछना हो, आई एम कंक्लूडिंग दिस कॉल नाउ। अभी तो आज जितना समझाया, जो बताया, कोई भी किसी को क्वेश्चन, जितना कुछ बताया गया, समझाया गया।
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. And this,
No, sir.
okay, that's good. And this is for all the interns who joined this call also, or who will watch this videos later on. This whole internship program, this whole training program, it is for you guys to get the knowledge, gain the knowledge, and utilize it for yourself. This whole exercise is not to give you a certificate. I'm again and again repeatedly telling all the people that don't, I'm not saying that don't take certificate. सब तुम बोलोगे सर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं लेंगे तो कैसे होगा, हाउ कैन यू डू दैट, दिस दैट, you need to have a certificate, otherwise you need to have a certificate, otherwise how can you? So yes, that is important, but along with that, knowledge is the most important thing. You need to get, you need to have the knowledge what you are doing and not. You need to have the knowledge that if somebody asks that this internship you have done, very nice certificate, बहुत अच्छा है, कलर वगैरह, but do you got the knowledge about this internship? कैसे होता है, क्या होता है? And if you are able to explain them, the chances that you will get a good job is huge. A lot of interns who have done internship at VC, they got selected in IIM. मैं नहीं बोलता मेरी वजह से हुआ, but they keep on saying कि sir, you know, they asked me about this internship and I can easily explain them that sir ऐसा ऐसा है, and they liked it. And it might be possible because of that I got selected. कुछ भी है, right? So this factors matters a lot. कि आपने यहाँ पे internship किया है, so whatever you have done, you can explain them. Okay, so please think about it. It is very, very important. All right, guys, take care of yourself. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.